This is a scissors, electric battery operated scissors, and what we're going to do is show you what it looks like, how to charge it, and how to use it. On the back of the unit is a red LED indicator, USB-C port. Simply plug it in. Nice firm press. You have a red indicator. On the top will be a red indicator in the white switch and a light switch. In order to operate this unit, there is an on and off switch and there is a trigger switch. If you don't touch anything for a certain amount of seconds, the unit will automatically turn off. So please, always be careful about this blade. There's no protection here. You can cut your fingers if you get in there. We can turn the unit on, you can see the light, and you can see it run. Now, this will cut just about anything imaginable that is allowed to cut. The light is off. Can't pull the trigger. We're safe to put this away. If you're into fabrics and you need to cut and do a design like a circle, turn on, go into a circle. You can cut that circle. Now, I have a piece of cardboard. It's got 3 creases. 1, 2, 3. I'm simply going to go on the crease, turn the unit on, line it up, give it a little force. Please forgive me for the first time. Give it a little force, and it will cut. It cuts very simple indeed. Now, the question is, can it cut 2 pieces at the same time? 1, 2. There are 2 pieces. I have to give a lot of force. And you know, you can see it cut, but it's not meant to cut 2 pieces. So now when I get my boxes and I'm outside, all I gotta do is just cut away. Simple as that. How neat is that? You're looking to cut something, yeah! This will cut just about anything that is meant to cut. Electric scissors, very nice indeed. The only thing that's missing on this is a lanyard strap or a upholstery. This is a great thing, a great tool. It's got a nice ergonomic handle. It's got a hard plastic here, a little rubber on the side, and after a couple of seconds, it will shut off. There is a little red indicator, a little light here, a little guide over here. Take your time and you're able to cut anything imaginable that this is allowed. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.